Product promotion. With scientific and reasonable design and compact structure, YXM 500 rice washing machine is able to wash rice continuously and rapidly, capable of washing 500 kilograms rice hourly. During washing, rice and sundries such as stone, mud, chaff, and rice worm are discharged separately from different outlets at high speed. It is suitable for enterprises and institutions such as canteens, fast food departments, and food processing plants to wash the particle grains such as rice due to its high efficiency, convenient operation, and manpower, effort, and water saving. Inspection preparation. Place a machine on horizontal ground to ensure a stable and reliable working. Remove the seal, rice basket, and a water economizer. Put float and sand sieves furnished with a machine into position. Add a seal ring to T of the water economizer before using a piston joint to connect it to the water pump inlet. Connect the sewage. Use a rubber tube to connect the water inlet of T to a city water pipe. Adjust the anchored bolts of the water economizer to make them contact the ground closely, ensuring stability. Put the rice basket on the water economizer and rotate and align the rice feeding pipe with the rice basket. Check whether current power voltage conforms to product specified voltage. A professional electrician should be asked to connect the power cable to corresponding power. Operation and maintenance. First, open the water source valve and leave the handle of a control valve at the working position of a ball valve. When water economizer is full of water, power it on. Normally, working power pressure ranges from 0.23 to 0.28 megapascal, and stone discharging pressure ranges from 0.08 to 0.10 megapascal. After the float separator is filled with water, pour rice into a rice hopper. When a rice washing machine is working continuously, separated sand, floats such as rice bran and grains via rice discharging pipe, float sieve, and rice basket separately and automatically. After rice coming out of the rice discharge pipe completely, idle the machine for 5 to 10 minutes before switching it off to prevent rice from blocking the pipeline. To switch it off, first turn the handle of the control valve to closed position and unplug the sewage discharge joint of the water economizer to drain sewage out of the water economizer before disconnecting water and power. A machine should not be switched off during continuous operation or with rice inside of the pipe. Upon startup, water level of the water economizer should not be lower than 1 second height. Otherwise, clean water is able to be poured into the economizer directly. All maintenance should be conducted when the power is off. After operation each time, a machine should be cleaned carefully once to ensure the pipeline is free of accumulated rice and water. Water pump is prohibited to be flushed by the water pipe during cleaning. Pipe clamps of the pipeline should be checked and tightened monthly to prevent affecting working effect. If a machine sounds abnormally during operating, it must be stopped and checked immediately. It is able to continue working after troubleshooting.